What if I told you that the potato inside your Lay's chips goes through more quality checks than most luxury foods? It's true. From the moment a potato seed is planted in the soil to the second you open that crispy yellow pack, every single chip passes through dozens of inspections and high-tech processes. But why does Lay's take quality so seriously? In this video, we'll uncover the incredible journey behind the world's favorite potato chips, explore the advanced factories, secret flavoring methods, and discover how Lay's keeps every chip perfectly crispy and delicious across the globe. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing food factory stories. Let's dive in. The journey begins. The journey of Lay's chips starts far away from supermarkets and snack aisles deep in massive potato farms. Every crispy chip begins with carefully selected potato seeds planted in nutrient-rich soil. These aren't ordinary potatoes. Lay's works with special potato varieties chosen for their size, texture, starch content, and flavor. Farmers follow strict farming guidelines to ensure the potatoes grow under ideal conditions. The soil moisture, sunlight exposure, and temperature are monitored constantly. Too much water can ruin the texture, while too little can affect the size and crunch of the final chips. Over several months, the potatoes grow underground until they reach the perfect maturity. During this time, agricultural experts regularly inspect the crops for disease, quality, and growth consistency. Only the best potatoes are selected to continue the journey toward becoming Lay's chips. Early quality inspections. Before harvesting even begins, quality checks are already underway. Specialists inspect the potato fields using advanced technology, including drones and soil sensors, to monitor crop health. Potatoes that don't meet strict standards are rejected before they ever leave the farm. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to processing facilities, where another round of inspections takes place. Machines scan every potato for size, shape, color, and imperfections. Any potato with bruises, green spots, or damage is automatically removed. This careful selection process ensures that only premium quality potatoes are used in Lay's production. Maintaining this consistency is one of the biggest reasons why every pack of Lay's tastes familiar no matter where you buy it in the world. Cleaning and preparation. After passing inspection, the potatoes move into an intense cleaning process. Massive rotating washers scrub away dirt, stones, and debris using high-pressure water systems. Cleanliness is extremely important because even tiny impurities can affect flavor and food safety. Next comes peeling. High-speed steam peelers remove the potato skins in seconds without wasting too much of the potato itself. Once peeled, the potatoes are washed again before being sliced into ultra-thin pieces. The slicing machines are incredibly precise. Each potato slice must be nearly identical in thickness to ensure even cooking. If slices are too thick, they become soft instead of crispy. Too thin, and they can burn instantly during frying. The secret behind the perfect crunch. One of the most important stages in Lay's production is removing excess starch and moisture. After slicing, the potato chips are rinsed in cold water to wash away surface starch. This prevents chips from sticking together and helps create their signature golden color. The slices then move through powerful drying systems that prepare them for frying. Controlling moisture levels is critical because it directly affects the final crunch. Even small variations can change the texture of the chips. Lay's factories use advanced sensors and automated systems to monitor humidity, oil temperature, and cooking time in real time. This level of precision ensures that every chip comes out perfectly crispy. Frying to perfection. Now comes the most satisfying part of the journey: frying. The potato slices travel through giant industrial fryers filled with carefully filtered cooking oil, heated to extremely high temperatures. The frying process lasts only a few minutes, but during that short time, several chemical reactions happen. The moisture inside the potato rapidly evaporates, creating the crunchy texture people love. As the chips fry, automated systems constantly monitor oil quality, temperature, and cooking consistency. Any chip that appears too dark, too light, or broken is automatically removed by optical sorting machines using high-speed cameras and artificial intelligence. This technology helps maintain the perfect golden color and flavor that defines Lay's chips worldwide. Flavoring magic. Once fried, the chips move to one of the most exciting stages, seasoning. Whether it's classic, salted, sour cream and onion, barbecue, or chili lemon, each flavor is applied with incredible precision. Inside giant rotating drums, the hot chips tumble while fine seasoning powders are sprayed evenly across every chip. The heat helps the flavors stick perfectly to the surface. The recipes for many Lay's flavors are highly protected secrets. Food scientists spend years testing flavor combinations to create the addictive taste customers love. Even tiny changes in seasoning amounts can completely alter the final flavor experience. To maintain consistency, every batch is carefully tested by quality experts before packaging begins. Packaging technology. Once seasoned, the chips are immediately packed to preserve freshness. But here's something surprising. The air inside a Lay's packet isn't regular air, it's mostly nitrogen gas. Nitrogen helps protect the chips from breaking and prevents them from becoming stale. Without it, the chips would lose their crunch quickly during shipping. High-speed packaging machines seal hundreds of packets every minute while checking for correct weight, airtight sealing, and proper labeling. Faulty packets are instantly rejected by automated systems. This final quality control stage ensures that customers receive fresh, crispy chips every single time they open a pack. Sustainability and innovation. Lay's isn't only focused on taste, the company is also investing heavily in sustainability and environmental responsibility. Many Lay's factories are working to reduce water usage, lower carbon emissions, and improve energy efficiency. Farmers partnering with Lay's are encouraged to use sustainable farming techniques that protect soil health and reduce waste. Some factories even recycle water used during potato washing and processing. The company is also exploring eco-friendly packaging solutions to reduce plastic waste and create a more sustainable future for snack production. By combining technology with environmental responsibility, Lay's is trying to balance delicious snacks with a healthier planet. Balancing tradition and technology. Even though the production process uses advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and automation, the core mission of Lay's remains simple, delivering the perfect crispy potato chip every time. From carefully selected potatoes to high-tech factories and secret flavor formulas, every stage is designed to maintain quality, consistency, and taste. This balance between tradition and innovation is what keeps Lay's one of the most loved snack brands in the world. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Lay's chips, from potato farms to the crunchy snack in your hands. Every chip goes through strict inspections, advanced technology, and precise cooking techniques before reaching your packet. The next time you open a bag of Lay's, remember the massive process behind every crispy bite. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes story, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food factory secrets and production stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.